For this word problem, Sarah sights the top of the Statue of Liberty at an angle of elevation of 61. If Sarah is 5.5 feet tall and is standing 166 feet from the base of the statue, find the height. Okay, so therefore, I will draw Sarah. I hope I give justice of her drawing. Alright, it says Sarah sights the top of the Statue of Liberty. Okay, given that this is the Statue of Liberty, okay, so angle elevation of 61, so that will be 61. If Sarah is 5.5 already, so this is the height. Sarah standing 166 feet tall from the base of the statue. Okay, so find the height. So we're solving for this part. Okay, let's start. So adjacent over the opposite is a 10. So 10 of 61 is equal to, opposite is unknown, 166 is your adjacent. So multiply. 10 of 61 equals times 166 is 299.4. So this is 299.4 plus the height of Sarah, 299.4 plus 5.5 equals 304. So the height is equal to 304.9. For the next word problem, the angle of depression from the top of a cruise ship to the top of a sailboat is 22. Sitting above the water, the cruise ship is 236 feet tall, while the sailboat is 27 feet tall. Find the distance between the cruise and the sailboat. Okay, let me analyze the problem. It's just depression. So if the cruise ship, cruise ship is this, and it says that the height is 236. And then if this is your sailboat, and it says that the height of the sailboat is 27 feet, and this is your angle of depression, which is 22. So since they are alternate interior, this is also 22, right? So if that's 22 and this is 236, we need to subtract 236 by 27. That's 209. So this part right here is 209. Okay, now let's start. So we're solving for find the distance between the cruise ship and the sailboat. So we're asking for this side. So this is your adjacent and that will be your opposite. So that's tangent. So tangent of 22 degree equals 209 over x. So I need to divide. That will be x equals 209 divided by 10 of 22. So 209 divided by tangent of 22 is 517.3. So that's the distance between cruise and sailboat. Okay, for this word problem, it says a point of 1 comma negative 3 is translated 3 units left and 5 units down, then reflected across the x-axis and dilated by 2. What are the new coordinates? So I'll draw an x and y coordinate, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We might need more, I don't know. All right, 1, negative 3. 1, 1, 2, 3 here. This is 1, negative 3. It says 3 units to the left and 5 units down. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 units to the left and 5 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 2, 8. Negative 8. That point. And then it says, then reflected across the x-axis. Reflected across the x-axis. So the x will still the same, but it will reflect it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6. Okay. So it's the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will just reflect here. So this would be positive 8. So that becomes negative 2, positive 8. Here is negative 2, negative 8. Then, from this point, from that point, it says, and dilated by 2. So whatever the coordinates of negative 2, 8, we'll just multiply it by 2. Times 2 times 2 will give you negative 4 times 16. What are the new coordinates? So that's the answer, I think. Another word problem. A ball is thrown upwards with an initial velocity of 48 feet per second from a height of 10 feet. When will the ball hit the ground? Alright. So since the acceleration is not given, we can assume that this is negative 16 due to acceleration gravity. So therefore, that will be f of x or y equals negative 16 t squared. Let's use t. I forgot. H of t. Let's use h of t. It's negative 16.3. Then 48 is your velocity. So plus 48 t. And then your initial height is 10. Plus 10. 10. That's it. Now, we can all divide that by 2. I mean, it doesn't matter because I will use quadratic formula. So, quadratic formula is negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So, I will plug in. That will give me negative 48 plus and minus 48 squared minus 4. Your a is negative 16. Your c is 10. And then 2 times negative 16. Alpha y equals is negative 48. And then plus square root sine 48 squared minus 4 times negative 16 times 10 divided by negative 32. So that's negative, so I can't take that. Let's change it to minus. And the answer is 3.19. So 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the time when the ball will hit the ground. That's the answer.